Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick little preventative maintenance thing on my LECTRIC XP 2.0. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and flip the bike open. I have the, make sure you have your battery in the off and locked position. Your best bet is just take your key out. I'm going to leave my key in though because I have my pedals aligned horizontally, so the key's not going to hit anything when I do this. So also a good time to kind of inspect your lever. All right, so very carefully pivot this open just like that. There we go. So let's go ahead and make sure you guys can see what's going on inside there. Hopefully you can. Let me zoom in here a little bit. There we go. Basically what I'm going to do is just get some grease and run it around the inside. Here, let me turn the light on the thing there. There we go. Got a cat here bugging me left and right. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of my grease right here that I got from Park Tool. A little good grease. I'm going to put a little bit on a Q-tip. Just a teeny bit on a Q-tip end, or you can use your finger, you know, whichever you want to do. Don't get up there. No, don't argue with me. Cat's being a pain in the butt. So I'm just going to rub this grease around the outer edges of this frame area to give some added protection against moisture getting inside of it. Do not get it on your battery contacts, okay? Be really careful with that. Run around the inside of the locking mechanism here. Come around the top area really carefully. You know, just pay attention to your battery and where you're at. Most importantly, I'm going to get it on the hinge, the inside of hinge parts here too. Hey, leave that alone. What are you doing? Don't. Oh my God, he's nuts. Yeah, this gives a good added thing here to protect your investment, protect your bike. Gives the cats entertainment too, obviously, as you can see. Let's get this nice little film put right around these edges here. See, now we know that this thing closes up around this here. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to get right. See, I don't want to get anything on those contacts there, but a little bit of grease like right in here. Our mechanism, there we go. Right on the inside here too. Just don't overdo it. Yeah, see this piece will go inside the frame, or it'll actually closes inside of this. So this way you have like a little bit of a grease seal right around there, a little bit right down here at the base. As I know, when you ride on any type of roadway where there's even the slightest bit of moisture, even regardless of the fenders, moisture gets up under here, and it does migrate down the wire harness and down here. I've had moisture build up right down here where the key's at as well. So I want to be really careful with that. But yeah, I think I'm good to go there. Like I said, nothing overkill. Oh, that bike's doing great. Yeah, now the temperature's warmed up. You know, the battery is going to have better capability. We're not going to be losing our battery power or having our battery degrade on us. course, we check this out here. I think it feels good and snug. Later on, when it comes time, if I find a need to have to do an adjustment on this to make sure it stays tight, I'll do a video and show you guys what I do on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and close the bike back up here. No issue, right? Wow, yeah. Cat's always present. That's our Tim, right? It's our mascot. Come down there. Put tight. Make sure you're tight. Yep, she is tight and she's in there and sealed up good, guys. So yeah, that's just some preventative maintenance you can do. The inside of your hinge area for your frame to help protect it against moisture getting up inside of there. Over time, it can happen. You can end up with corrosion and problems in there, and you don't want that around the battery connectors and everything going on. So, yeah. Other than that, hope you guys are enjoying your riding and keeping safe out there. I know we're starting to get into more riding over here. The weather's finally getting nice. But other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. Keep safe.